How to make a Paracord Bracelet Vortex. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Alpha 1.9.8.2 Paracord community. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for yet another awesome Paracord project. Enjoy and have fun. So for today's project, we're gonna use the black Paracord 550 for the bracelet core or a base, the 4 strands of a black microcord, 2 strands of a gold microcord, and 1 strand of a white microcord. Credit for this bracelet goes to Demet's Cord, so make sure to check the description box down below and we'll post the link to Demet's Instagram profile. Also, credit for the Weavers of Eternity team, our friend, for inspiration. So let's start. First we're gonna create the bracelet core. We're gonna take our black paracord and find the center like this. So now we're gonna take the left strand and we're gonna cross it on top of the right one, and we're gonna create a little loop on the right side and then to the back, and I'm gonna pinch it here. Now from here we're gonna take the left strand and we're gonna make it around from the back, and we're gonna return it, and from the top side we're gonna pull it through the loop on the right. So from here we're gonna take this right strand and we're gonna twist it a bit like this. So we created a loop here, and with the left strand we're gonna go under this right strand here, and then we're gonna pass it into the loop and under this like so. So pull it into the loop, under the cord, and back out of the loop. This way we created the pretzel form or pretzel shape, and from here we're gonna simply take the right strand, pass it again under the, we're gonna take the left strand, pass it again under this strand here, and from here we're gonna pass it right through the center. Now we're gonna place this core onto the jig and we're gonna start with our weaving process. So here is our bracelet core, and before we start the weaving process, if you wanna learn how to make this beautiful paracord bracelet I'm wearing today, or this one here, you can find the full tutorial for it in the top right corner in the information cards, also down below in the description box, so go ahead and check the information cards and the description box. So that being said, we're gonna start with our black microcord. We're gonna take the ends and find the center of it like this, and then we're gonna place it under the bracelet core like so, and we're gonna simply cross our right cord on top of the bracelet core, then we're gonna cross our left cord or left strand again on top of the bracelet core, but we're gonna return it from the back through the loop so we can create a knot and lock our microcord onto the bracelet core like so. So when we tied our microcords onto the bracelet core, we're gonna follow the pattern. So we'll take the left microcord and place it on top of the left strand's microcords, and then onto the bracelet core, and with the right strand microcord, first one, black, we're gonna pass it under these right strand cords or right side cords as you wish, so under them, and we're going to create the basic Solomon knot or a cobra weave. Now tie it and pull it to the top, close to the snake knot, and we're going to secure it with the one more left Solomon. So the left strand on top of the bracelet core, right strand on top of the left one, around and from the back through the loop. Lock it and proceed. Now we're going to take our second black microcord and we're going to place it on top of these cords here, and under this black microcord we created our Solomon weave or a cobra knot, and we're going to place it on top of the core strands. Now we're going to take the second black from the right side and we're going to pass it under the base strands on the right side, but on top of this black strand we created the cobra knot as well, and around from the back through the loop. Tie it well, secure it with one more knot, so the pattern here is that we're gonna take our left strands and the base strands we started with, and we're gonna place it on top of the left strands, but when we reach the end where we created our Solomon or a cobra knot, we're gonna place it under them, so on top and under, and then the knot. And on the right side we're gonna do the opposite. We're gonna place the working ends under the starting cords, but on top of the cords we created our Solomon or a cobra knot. So that's the whole pattern. Let's repeat. The microcord from the left side on top of the starting cords, and then under the cords we created our knots, then on top of the core strands with the right strands take it and place it under the starting cords, and then on top of the cords we used to create the Solomon or a cobra knot. Now the fourth black on top of the base cords, under these cords we used to create the Solomon knot, on top of the core strands, and the last black under the base cords or starting cords, on top of the cords used to create the Solomon knot. Now the first gold cord on top of the starting cords, under these working cords as you wish, and the right side gold under the starting cords, on top of these cords here, and the Solomon knot. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best, and see you soon. Bye!